At the center of our digital life is Java. From desktop to mobile, clicks to swipes, most web applications are powered by Java. Companies are competing to create the most amazing online user experiences, leading to a great need for more Java developers. Get the in-demand skills you need to start your Java developer career with Udacity's Java Programming Nanodegree program. You will learn by actually building web applications ready for use in the real world. In this Nanodegree program, you will learn directly from Java programming professionals with decades of experience. By learning industry standards as you build, you can take your programming skills to the next level and learn how to design, build, and deploy web applications. The hands-on projects and exercises in this Nanodegree program will prime you for success. Each project shows the wide application of Java in a variety of industries. You will apply your new set of Java programming skills to write, test, and deploy Java code. Feedback is essential. Your projects will be reviewed by industry professionals who will help you develop your Java skills. Get ready to show your completed projects in your portfolio with confidence. Boost your earning potential with Java. Enroll in Udacity's Java Programming Nanodegree program today.